All right, here it is, the original RC10 rebuilt as well. These are the Proline tires, the road tires I was telling you about. Now, I haven't driven this yet. This is my first actual test run. I did check it for function one night late and I couldn't see anything, so I couldn't really drive it, but here we go. Now, this is original electronics and they're wonky as hell. I'm gonna put brushless in this, I decided, because why not? Yeah, these are the original old school period correct electronics. Well, not exactly period correct, but the range on this is terrible. So can't go too far. See that? It gets interference. Oh my gosh. Pretty cool. I'm gonna put brushless in this and it's gonna haul ass. Oh my gosh, I had to run away and almost hit the curb. I saved it. That was close. Could have been bad. Just want to take this corner a few times. This will be a short run. Oh dude, it just ran away and busted. So there you have it, game over. It looks pretty bad too. Saw a wheel go flying. Oh boy. So there you go. I ran it for some road testing and broke the tip of the axle off, brittle metal I guess, and the bell crank broke for the steering rack arm, whatever you would call that, part of the steering rack. I thought it was a bell crank arm, not absolutely sure what it's called, but I gotta search for parts. These tires were performing good. It just, the receiver's garbage. It ran away from me and smacked a curb. You saw in the video. So we're gonna order up some parts, get this fixed, and I'm gonna put a new receiver in it and put it on 2.4 gigahertz because that's the smart thing to do, because this receiver's garbage. And I'm gonna just go brushless on it too and just make it fast as hell. All right. Okay, talk to you later. Donatello's Workshop, L-Town Productions.